Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to the 150-gallon mega build. You're with Skipper Drones, and today we are going to be doing the 3D background. Like I said, this is my first time doing it, so I hope y'all enjoy it. And I will show you how to what I used to make it work. But it's a lot of videos and different methods of doing it. So I'm going with the styrofoam. And I think I'm gonna do some concrete mixture on it. We're gonna get that together and I will be back. All right, my YouTube family, we are back here. We got a couple of needle file sets, some X-Acto knives. We have been doing a lot of scraping today, you guys. Different size blades. Very, very, very messy. But here, it's pretty much as you get your decoration down and keep going. I mean, you just scrape in and scrape till you see, and actually, it's been just guiding me the way it want to guide me. So, I don't know how it's looking to you guys. Leave comments in the description below if you got any tips for me. But yes, it's just a rough draft start here. Over here we're gonna have networks of caves. I know you can't see it right now, but trust me, you guys, you will in a minute. Like I say, this is our first time doing this, so I believe, I'm not an expert at this, but it's starting to come along pretty nicely. A lot of detail. So this is gonna be awesome, you guys. And I guess the next couple of sessions, I'm probably just gonna set the camera up and film myself doing this for you, so you can get a whiff of what I'm doing. Like I say, they got plenty of videos on this. And they use different methods. But I've been doing a lot of research and stuff, so I seen one on this one right here that I did one before for my 120 gallon. I sprayed it with spray foam and put sand on top. It came out all right, but I'm liking this one a lot better. A lot better. And we got tons of work to go, so after we get in and start cleaning up everything, I'm gonna hit it with the heat gun and harden it up a little bit. And I'm still deciding on where I'm going after that. I'm gonna find the best, closest to the best safe concrete we can use for the tank. And then we'll be giving it a concrete bath. Just solid it up and tighten it down. I remember how I did my other tank when I did it with the sand and the spray foam. I did cured. I hit it with the polyurethane, but I think when I do it with the concrete, I'm gonna bathe it for about a couple of weeks. Let it dry, bathe it, let it dry, and then at the end, finishing touch, I'm gonna hit it with that, so it'll lock everything in. It all depends on how. I just wanted to have that real natural look, so it all depends if I hit it with that or not, because I know once I soak that concrete enough and get all the extra out of there to make my pH balance right, that it should still be safe for my tank. So yes, this is Skipper here with the start part 2 video on a 3D background. And I will catch you on the next video, because we still got a lot of background to go. It's a 150 gallon tank, so we still got a lot to go. I hope you enjoy. Like I said, if you have any comments below, just leave it in the comment below, any tips that can help me out further on down the road. Like I said, this is my first time doing it, so I will see you guys on the next video. And I'm Skipper Drones, and I'm out.